Hello, everyone. Today, I want to show you how to download images from Leonardo AI. First, open your web browser. After that, go to the Leonardo AI website and use your login details to access it. If you are not logged in, you can watch my previous video. The link is in the description. Just click on the link and you will be able to access it easily. Once you're in Leonardo AI, we'll talk about how to get images. Click on the image you want to download. When you do, a new window will pop up. In that window, you'll see the images we've already made. To download one, just move your mouse cursor over the image. Once your cursor is on the image, you'll see an option to download it. Click on that button. After clicking, you'll get a notification in the top right corner that tells you the image has been downloaded. Most people don't get many chances to do this. To find your downloaded image, move your cursor here and click on Show in Folder. This is usually in your download area. After you click, a new window will show up. In there, you'll see your image. For extra security, right-click here. After that, choose Copy. When you click on Copy, your post will be copied. Now, go to a place where you won't forget. Once you're there, paste it. In my case, I right-clicked and chose Paste, and it was pasted. This is how you download images. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.